Alright, so I'm going to do the Unigine benchmark. It's the Heaven 2.0, and it's for DirectX 11 really. You play around with the new features like Tesselation, which I don't really understand much myself, but I know it makes like details pop out a little bit better. So I'm going to make sure it's all on the highest settings. Tesselation Xtreme. Anti's droppy 16, why not? And it's an alias thing, we'll put at 8. Alright. And so in case you didn't read the description, these are the GTX 480s and SLI running this, and I'll post my specs in the signature. And you can check out some of my other benchmarks. I got Crisis Warhead and Battlefield. Bad Company should be up in a bit. And I might put up a Dirt 2 benchmark if I have the time. Alright, so here we go. I'll just let you see the engine running a bit. It's pretty nice. So I'm gonna just make sure all the settings are correct. Sometimes it changes them for some reason. Okay, alright, I'm gonna run the benchmark now. It's a pretty sweet engine. Wish there were some games running on this thing. Actually, apparently there are some games running on this thing, but none in this country as far as I'm aware. I apologize for the off-screen camera, but it's really the only way to get an accurate benchmark, because if I use a screen recording program, then I'm taking away some performance on the computer. So right now, you probably can't see because it's really small in the corner, but the max frames per second is 98, minimum is 29, and it's getting about an average of 49.5. This is the cool part where they show off the tessellation on this Dragon. I know some games like Alien vs Predator, I know, took advantage of it in the DX11 updates. Hope Crisis 2 uses some of that stuff. DX11 features are pretty nice. It's got like one seam left, I think. Yeah, there we go. Alright. It's not too bad. 1265 is the score. So I had an average of 50 frames a second. And 1265 is the score, minimum is 23.4, max 115. And if you'd like to see all my hardware, there you go. Those are SLI, even though it doesn't say it. I'm not sure if it affects it at all, but I usually have 6 gigs of RAM in here, and one of my sticks died, so I'm waiting a replacement. I doubt the extra 2 gigs will actually make a difference, but yeah, so there you have it.